from the General Manager, Praga Tools Limited, Hyderabad, to the Secretary to Government of India, Ministry of Defence, New Delhi. Para. Sir, I am in receipt of your letter giving special instructions for the production and supply of certain special type of spare parts which are immediately required and not available in the country. As you are aware, we are considered to be specialist in this particular field. Para. Before conveying our acceptance to supply the goods required, I may be permitted to mention that due to the abnormal increase in the cost of raw material, high competition in the market, short time at our disposal for the manufacture and supply of the items indicated in your letter, the cost of production will increase and we may be able to supply the goods only at a slightly higher rate than already indicated to you, as we must engage extra labor to complete the work in time. Para. I may mention that by allowing slight increase in price quoted by us, you will not only encourage well established industry specialized in this particular design essential for defense purposes, but give an opportunity of expanding our production program in the circumstances explained above. I request that the Government of India may be pleased to accept the slight increase quoted by us and issue instructions for the manufacture and supply of goods at slightly higher rates as indicated at an early date. Yours faithfully, General Manager.